Guys, I'm just gonna go and fly this Mavic 3 long range flight in extreme wind, checking out the AccuSync and also the precision landing and the camera stabilization. And not also I'm just flying just to fly around. I'm actually gonna
Now,
inspire my friend while he's kiteboarding and just checking out this camera, the zooming in, zooming out is actually see if it's helpful. So let's go ahead and check it out. And it's gonna be a long flight, so I actually speeded up the video. So just letting you guys know that because I don't want to have a long range flight. It's gonna be, I don't know. I think it's it takes forever. But anyway, he look at how stabilized the video footage is on this camera on this Mavic 3. And you can see I'm actually out there just pushing my son a stroller and also controlling the Mavic 3. I don't know the reason why DJI did not release the active track yet and also the hyperlapse. It would be much, I would say, helpful because see right now I can just go active track while I'm pushing my son in a stroller instead of me controlling the Mavic 3. But I managed to fly without no problem because it has that smooth fly capability on this Mavic 3. It's a smooth flyer, guys. And I actually put this in a sport mode, so you guys go ahead and check out my video. And it flies like just like I would say the way I experienced flying the Mavic 3 is like flying in Spire 1 or Spire 2, I would say. So right now I can still able to manage flying this Mavic 3 even though I'm actually pushing my son's stroller down the beach. And I mean it's very stable flyer, I would say. And we're gonna go ahead and check it out here, the zooming in, zooming out capability, because it's very interesting. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you how stabilized the footage are. That's where I'm at. You can see over here, I'm zooming in right now. And you can see how stabilized it is. And the more I'm zooming in, and you can actually almost see my camera. Oh, actually you can see my phone, my GoPro camera. I mean, it's crazy. My fingertip nails on it, I would say. I mean, and look how far I am. And you can also see the nails in this boardwalk. See that? I mean, up here you can even see the nails anymore. And that's how good the camera is. I mean, it's even though it's digitally, I would say, but still have that stabilized footage.
not yet, so. Woohoo! On my bottom right here, it's extremely windy.
I just went fast forward this part right here because it's gonna be take so long to go all the way up there. But you can go ahead and see it to my left how good the transmission and this AccuSync. I mean, from what I'm seeing right now, it's extremely windy, but the connection's still pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fly around here. So this Mavic 3 is really good if you just want to observe things, you just want to go ahead and fly around or just want to zoom in, zoom out, or just checking on things, it's just pretty cool while you're up in the sky. And you don't have to be so close to other objects because you have that zooming in, zooming out capability already. And you can see here I'm actually coming up, and that's where my buddy is kite surfing. He's right there. And the good part about it is I don't have to get so close to him. I can just be where I'm at. And he doesn't even know that I'm actually capturing him, this footage here, until I actually send him the videos. So you can see here, now I'm actually getting to the right position where I'm at, and I'm zooming in. And this is how far I am. Okay, and now you guys go ahead and tell me how the quality on the footage. See where's he at? I'm just zooming, and it's cold too. And pretty much I almost see everything what he's wearing and his kite. I mean, this is how far I am. It's crazy what this camera can do. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead, stay around this area here. And guys, every time you're doing this, man, you just gotta make sure your battery life is still good. I mean, this is the most important thing, you know. And not only birds gonna hit your drone, I mean, also your battery life. So you can see here, zooming in. Yeah, so I'm just capturing while this kite is surfing. And it's cold too. I mean, good thing I'm not kite surfing because it's freaking cold. But anyway, you can see here I'm at. Let me see how that's how far it is right now, and I'm just gonna go and zoom in again and zoom out. So this is a raw footage. I did not change any colorings on this one. I just put in the stock settings. Yeah, so the camera's pretty good. With this dual lens, I would say. I mean, imagine the fourth generation of Mavic 4, I would say they're probably gonna put three camera. Or could be four cameras, you know? So I mean, look at the detail. I mean, like, I'm way out there, not worrying about hitting anything, you know, just capturing video. That's all I'm doing, you know, basically it. So so where I'm at right now, I got a good transmission of AccuSync, and I also watch for my battery level. So especially extreme wind like this, guys, don't take a risk. Even though you have the latest drone of, even though I would say like 1 hour flight time, you know, you still have to consider yourself like, okay, you know, you already know the environment is extremely windy, and going back, I mean, right now, to tell you guys the truth, like going back, it's gonna be challenging because the wind is really strong and it's blowing towards me. So you can see here in this one here, I'm zooming in. I'm over here from the pier, from Jack's pier. They're fixing it because the hurricane messed this place up. And you can see exactly where I'm at, but just using the camera, zooming in, zooming out. So it's really good feature to have, I would say. Not only got all obstacle avoidance, and you don't have to like get so close to the object, I would say. But right now, trying to return back to home, and it's a little bit of challenge, I would say, because the wind is actually, I'm facing with the wind right now, but it seems like it's managing it without no problem, I would say. And yeah, but it's like you just keep going. So yeah, if you want to have a successful flight in this condition, long range, key is battery, guys. You know, always make sure your body level, and just make sure that everything's, you know, you have enough power, flight to go.
All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get the drone back. It's already up here. It's sunny today too. It's breezy and it's cold as hell. So, and we're gonna go and check it out, see if it'll land where exactly I'll put it at. Here you go. Is it precision landing? You see a precision landing. Oh! Whoa! Look, I'm even touching the controller. Is that a precision landing in extreme wind? Okay. Wow. All right, you guys can go ahead and see. I'll take off right here. Now it's up here. So I would say 1, 2, 3 feet. Not bad.